Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a comparison video between Shopify POS versus Square. Which one is better? So choosing between Shopify POS and Square in 2025 image hints on your business model, sales channels, and growth aspirations. Here's a comprehensive comparison on guide your decision. So the first thing is the price and transaction fees. For Square POS, Square software cost is free for basic POS facilities. Transaction fees in person is 2.6% and 10 cent per transaction, and online is 2.9% plus 30 cent per transaction, and kid in 3.5% plus 15 cent per transaction. Now here is the premium plan, that is actually Square for retail start at $60 per month. Square for restaurant starts at $60 per month. Now let's head to the Shopify POS. So software cost is POS Lite included with all Shopify e-commerce plan, and POS Pro is $89 per month per location. Transaction fee using the Shopify payment in person is 2.4% to 2.7% per transaction depending on the plan, and online is 2.4% to 2.9% plus 30 cents per transactions. Now additional fees are using third-party payment providers incurs an extra 2% fee. Now the verdict of this point is Square's offer more affordable entry point with its free basic plan, making it ideal for small businesses and startups. On the other side, Shopify's higher tier plans provide lower transaction fees, benefiting business with higher sales volumes. Now let's look at the hardware option, that is Square device is Square Reader is $10, Square stand is $149, Square Terminal is $299, and Square Register is $799. Compatibility works seamlessly with iOS and Android devices. Now the Shopify is the device is tap and chip card reader is $49, and the POS Go $399. POS Terminal Countertop Kit for $59. Now the compatibility is integrated tightly with Shopify's ecosystem and supports third-party hardware. Now the verdict is Square provides a range of affordable hardware options suitable for various business sizes. Shopify's hardware is more premium, catering to businesses seeking a cohesive in-store and online experience. Now the feature and functionality. Square best for small and medium-sized businesses focusing on in-person sales. Now the key features are basic inventory management, customer profiles and loyalty programs, invoicing and appointment scheduling, offline payment processing. Now, Shopify is best for business with strong online presence seeking seamless integrations between online and offline sales. The key features is advanced inventory and order management, multi-location support, custom staff roles and permissions, comprehensive analytics and reporting. The verdict is Square is user-friendly and ideal for straightforward retail operations. Now the Shopify offer advanced features suitable for business aiming for omnichannel retailing. So the integration and ecosystem. Square integrations offers integrations with various third-party applications including accounting and e-commerce platform, and the ecosystem provides tools for payroll, appointments and loyalty program. Shopify on the other hand, integrations on the point of integrations, they access to a vast app marketplace for marketing and accounting and logistics. Ecosystem like seamless integrations with Shopify's e-commerce platform, ensuring in a unified inventory and customer data management. Now the verdict is Shopify excels in providing a unified platform for both online and offline sales, while Square offers the flexibility through diverse integrations. So here's the final recommendation for you. Choose Squarespace. The Square if you are a small, medium sized business prioritizing in-person sales. You seek a cost-effective, easy-to-use POS system with essential features. You prefer minimal upfront investment in hardware and software. Choose Shopify if your business is a significant online presence and requires seamless integrations between online and offline sales channels. You need advanced inventory management, analytics, and multi-location support. And you are prepared to invest in a comprehensive retail solution to support business growth. Both platform offers robust POS solution tailored to different business needs. Assess your specific requirements, budget, and growth plans to determine the best fit for your business. So let us know which one you prefer most. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching. Till next time.